All right, drink we're about to make is called Fox Trot. And we're going to serve this in a martini glass up, so if you want to get it chilled, go ahead and put some ice and water in it, let it sit for about 30 seconds, and it'll be ready to go by the time you're done making your drink. All right, go ahead and throw some ice in a glass and measure out 1 shot of light rum. And follow that up with a ½ ounce of lemon juice. And next we will add 2 to 3 dashes of triple sec. All right, and let's shake this up real good. Get it nice and cold. And this will help you if you are about to do the foxtrot in front of a bunch of people and you want to loosen yourself up, go ahead and have a foxtrot before you do so. Sounds like I've had a couple too many myself. Go ahead and strain it in the martini glass. There you go. And that is a foxtrot. Bottoms up.